Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Workspace tools. The Workspace tools are the tools on the bottom left corner. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tools, and the first one of which is an arrow. That arrow enables you to select multiple projects and move them at the same time. It is very tedious to start moving each object. Let's say that I would like to move the guiding questions to the top here and push those questions up there. To start moving them separately would be really tedious and a little bit annoying. So we have here an arrow that you click on. And when you select the arrow, then you get this little crosshair that enables you to drag over the objects that you would like to move together. And then you just move them and put them on the top like this. And there it is. And now the questions moved up. The second tool, which is very important actually, in purpose, I took you here to a finished project, a project that was finished by students, because I wanted to show you the next tool. And the next tool is the presentation tool. So the presentation tool is once you finish the project and everything is filled out and you did the wonderful research and you have all your conclusions ready and you are ready to present this to the class, you have the presentation tool, which is next to that arrow. When you click on it, it turns your workspace into a kind of a PowerPoint. And on the top left corner, there are arrows, the forward arrow and back arrow and the X, which closes this presentation. And you can use those arrows to move through the different tabs in your project. So as you are talking and explaining, you want to move on to the next tab and explain what you did there. So this is the way, this is how you do it. You're just moving from tab to tab and you show and explain what you did and so on. So this is the, as I said before, this is the presentation tool. Next to the presentation tool, we have the three different types of zoom tools. So it starts with the zoom in. So let's say that there's something that you just want to focus on completely. You will click on the plus, the first one, and that kind of zooms in and people can see it bigger. It's clearer to everybody, especially people who are sitting in a distance. And then let's say that you finish, you want to just basically zoom out, you just click on the next button and that zooms out. And let's say that you zoomed in for more than one time and you're not sure how many times you need to push the zoom out. So the last tool is actually move back to normal, zoom back to the normal size. So right now it isn't normal, so it's not going to affect anything. But had I zoomed in twice, then when I click on the zoom to normal, it will just zoom back to normal and that's it directly. So these are the workspace tools. As I said, on the bottom left, you have all the workspace tools. So thank you, and I'm going to see you in the next video.